गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेसीन सिटिझनशीप अमेंडमेंट बिलाक विरोध केला. तशेंच ह्या बिलाक मान्यताय दिल्ल्या बद्दल केंद्रांतल्या भाजप सरकाराचोय निशेध केला. हे विधेयक म्हळ्यार देश दुसऱ्या मुक्ती संग्रामा कडेन वता अशेंच दिसता, अशें गोंय प्रदेश काँग्रेसीचो मिडिया प्रमुख ट्रोजन डिमेलोन पत्रकार परिशदेंत सांगलें.
Our party, the Goa unit, strongly stands by our central leadership and condemns this bill, for it is an assault on the very soul of our constitution. It has been declared as the darkest day in India's democracy. And the outfall of it in the northern eastern states that is happening, where today in Guwahati curfew has been ordered. It is a sign that we are heading for a second freedom struggle. This government, who everybody knows that is playing a hypocrisy and a mockery of Mahatma Gandhi's values, this day is a victory of communalism versus secularism. But the Congress party, as said by our president, will not rest till we see and take it to the courts of law, because it is absolutely an unconstitutional, unethical and immoral law.
गोंय भाजप सरकारान आशिल्ल्या मंत्री आनी आमदारांनी सिटिझनशीप विधेयका बद्दल तांची भुमिका स्पश्ट करची अशी मागणी ट्रोजन डिमेलोन केल्या.
The cabinet ministers, whether they are supporting this bill, their silence is consent to the bill passed. And the NDA partners in Goa have also sold their soul, because, as I have said, all India and NDA allies who were talking of secularism supported it to save the scams, the same, that there is nothing different in Goa. Philip Neri Rodriguez, Jennifer, Tony, Silvera, they should speak out. Their silence will be construed as acceptance of this bill. If they don't come out within 48 hours, then it will be understood that these are people again who have embraced communalism to make a few pennies or to save their scams.